Once upon a time, in a cozy little house nestled in the heart of a bustling town, lived two of the most iconic duos the world had ever seen. Tom, the scheming gray cat, and Jerry, the clever little brown mouse. Their adventures were the stuff of legend, filled with slapstick comedy and hilarious antics. One sunny morning, Tom was lounging in the living room, snoozing on a soft, comfy couch, daydreaming about finally catching Jerry. Meanwhile, Jerry was busy nibbling on a wedge of cheese he had found in the kitchen, planning his next grand mischief. A bright idea sparked in Jerry's tiny mind as he noticed a stack of colorful blocks at the corner of the room. He quickly scurried over to the blocks, stacking them one by one into a towering skyscraper right in front of Tom's sleeping fortress. Each block balanced precariously, but Jerry, with his tiny hands and great finesse, managed the impossible feat with ease. No sooner had the last block been placed, Jerry gave a small whistle, miraculously causing the tower to wobble and then tremble like it had a mind of its own. Suddenly, the tower began to fall, crashing like a tidal wave. Blocks tumbled and toppled, awakening Tom with a start. Tom, startled and confused, jumped up, only to find himself caught in the avalanche. Blocks tumbled like a cascading waterfall, burying Tom under a mountain of colorful chaos. Jerry watched from a safe distance, his whiskers twitching with laughter. But Tom was not to be outdone. Emerging from the pile of blocks like a determined chess player, he devised a plan to capture the elusive mouse. Thus began a delightful chase that led through the house, past tables, through windows, and even over the backyard fence. The chase was filled with all the classic elements, Tom's expert but ill-fated traps, each met with Jerry's effortless dodges and ingenious counters. Each mishap left Tom entangled, confounded, and more determined than ever before, but ultimately, it was all done in good humor. Finally, after an exhilarating chase, both paused, utterly exhausted, yet with big grins hidden between growls and giggles. They may have been rivals, but there was an enduring friendship beneath their playful antics. And so, they continued in their timeless dance. And thus, in a house filled with laughter and endless cheese, life went on for Tom and Jerry, ensuring endless giggles and gleeful merriment to all who watched their merry chase.